Hi, my name is Greg Pellia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and today I want to introduce a spray polyurethane foam roofing installation over an existing ballasted EPDM roof. Ballasted in the roofing industry means there's loose rock over the roof, and then underneath it's a rubber roof. It's at the Parma Police Station and Justice Center. It's about 60,000 square feet. In this video, there's before, in progress, and after photos. And to avoid overspray on people and police cars, there's a video of us spraying foam out of a booth. So enjoy.